Guys, it's hot out. It's really hot out. And air conditioning is expensive. I'm going to show you my cheap way of staying cool in the hot weather. First, I'm getting a measuring tape, caulking gun, hammer, flashlight, Phillips screwdriver, drill, right-handed glove, level, bicycle, air pump, 11-centimeter wrench, adjustable wrench, triangle thing, some large pruning shears, small shears, hacksaw, and a sledgehammer. I'm taking all these tools, cleaning them, storing them neatly, because I won't be using them for this job. Okay, you're going to need a shady location, so for me, I'm choosing here. Next, you're going to need some sort of a tub or basin. I'm using a concrete mixing tub. Then you're going to need some way of filling the basin with water. I'm using a hose attached to a water supply. You want to let the water fill up almost to the top. It doesn't have to be completely full. Just enough to cover a good portion of your body. And then you get into it. Like this. You see, the science is actually pretty simple. The water absorbs the heat from our body and from the atmosphere, and the hottest parts rise to the surface and evaporate, leaving just the cooler parts. For some added comfort, you can add your wife.
อบไอ้น้ำด้วยสบายอบไอ้น้ำเขาพูดว่าไงน่ะทำเองอ่ะ handmade อ่ะ no what say what
อะไร
ไอ้ทำเองไงคืออบไอ้น้ำที่บ้านไงอบไอ้น้ำหม้อพิเศษอบไอ้น้ำใบละ100ค่ะใช้ง่ายสบายเวทรอหันมาก่อนเราก็จะใส่แต่มันอยู่นี้
โอเคดีมากเอาหูขึ้นเอาหูแมวขึ้น
นี่ค่ะ
น่ารัก
โอเคอบไอ้น้ำทำเองเราไม่ต้องไปเสียตังค์อบที่ร้าน ประหยัดงบ
Let me get some more fake sweat so you know how hot it is.